Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company, and they don't call me curly memes for nothing, okay? Like, this ombre highlight wig is doing what it's supposed to be doing. It is nice and bouncy. It is full, it is beautiful, it is also breathable, okay? And I know it looks as if I glued down this wig because it is absolutely flat. It is flat, okay? But guess what? Kesana, I did not use glue to achieve this look. It came like this. Like, literally, guys, they cut the lace for me. Everything was done for me. They hot combed this part for me, okay? Like, I am so obsessed with this wig. So if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company, do check the description box down below, and let's get straight into today's video, okay? It moves. I get what I want. It moves. You have to get this wig, and it is glueless. What more do you want? Let's get straight into today's video.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips.
So I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. So this is how their box is looking. Okay, so the first thing that they sent me was this wig cap. It is HD wig cap. Luvme hair wig band to lay your edges. A wig storage bag, and of course a Luvme hair t-shirt. Oh my goodness, it is branded, and wait for it, let me show you guys how it looks at the back. It is absolutely gorgeous, and the quality, 10 out of 10. So now let me show you guys this baby. Okay, this baby straight out of the box, this is how she came. Oh my goodness, she's breathable. This is a breathable cap, so if your scalp is itchy, you don't have to take your wig off. All you need to do is just to, you can easily scratch your scalp, okay? I didn't know. This is absolutely beautiful. So this is a 5x5 lace closure wig. It came pre-cut, as you can see. So which means this wig is a pre-everything wig, because literally it came exactly like this. They cut the lace for me. So it has, let's see, 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 here at the back. It also has this adjustable belt to secure your wig, and of course they said because this wig is glueless, we are going to give you extra belts as well so that your wig can be nicely secured. Okay, the quality, this is my favorite color. Okay, like, look at this, guys. Look how beautiful this wig looks. The combination, the highlights, the brown. It is giving ombre wig, and I am here for it.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer.
Just like that, nah? Just like that. This is beautiful. It fits perfectly on my head, okay? Like, this is beautiful. Luvme hair, this deep curl is gorgeous. Okay, look at that. This is perfect. Glueless, and you can put it on the side if you want, okay? All right, you can do that. You can put it in the middle, you can put it the side. You can actually part it anywhere as well, because it is a 5x5 lace closure, so it has a bigger parting space. And baby, I am so happy. Straight out of the box, as y'all can see, this is how the wig is looking. It is nice and bouncy. So I'm going to use this wide teeth comb to just make it a little bigger. Of course, I love it like this. Oh my goodness, it matches my skin tone so well. Luvme hair did a very good job with this ombre situation. It is beautiful, guys. Wow, because it can get way bigger than it is right now. You can use your fingers as well.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I
Guys, the wig is still nice and bouncy even after I used the white tooth comb to just make it a little bit bigger. And wow, okay, look how flat this parting is. It's as if I used glue and I did not use glue. And this wig is secure, baby girl. This wig is secure. It is soft. Ah, I love everything about this wig. Love Me Hair did such a great job with this wig. I am obsessed. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. As you also, guys, this was super easy. This wig literally came like this. The only thing that I needed to do was just to put it on my head, and that is how gorgeous I am looking. Okay, so please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. I mean, color combo. It is given 10 out of 10 minus nothing.